Now let's join freeCodeCamp's chat room system. You can come here any time of day, hang out, ask questions, and find other campers to pair program with. But first, you'll need a GitHub account, which we can create by clicking here. We'll want to set a username and use a valid email address and a password. And click to create an account. GitHub is free by default for everyone. You only have to pay if you want private repositories, which you probably won't need to worry about for some time. So now that we're in, we can click Settings, and we can click Upload a new picture. It's best for us to include a photo of our face, because that makes it more natural when people talk to us in the chat room. So I'll upload a picture of my face, then I'll set my name. It's important to note that your email is hidden by default both in GitHub and the chat room, so you don't need to worry about that aspect of your privacy. If you have a personal website, you can include a URL here. If you want, you can include your company and where you live. Great! Now we've configured our GitHub account. Before we join the chat room, let's take a quick look at a GitHub repository. So this is freeCodeCamp's open source web application that you are using right now. Everything is pretty well documented. You can see how many pull requests and issues we've closed recently. You can see the directions if you wanted to set up freeCodeCamp on your local machine, or if later if you want to contribute to our open source project, how to do so. I'll just show you one thing that's pretty cool. If you click Seed and then you click Challenges, and then you choose this Get Set for freeCodeCamp JSON file, you can actually see the code that is creating this challenge that you're working through right now, the Join Our Chat Room challenge. It's pretty cool. While you're here, if you'd like, you can give our repository a star, which is kind of the equivalent of liking something on GitHub. Now let's join the chat room itself. We can click this link to go to Gitter, which is a great chat room system. You can see there are already a lot of people here, and we can see what's going on in the chat room. Everything in the chat room is completely public unless you want to create a private room, which you can do as well. So we'll authorize this application. So Gitter is going to pull the information from GitHub that we just entered, such as our photo and our name and our location. And here we are. We're in the main freeCodeCamp chat room. So I can say something like, "Hello world. I heard about freeCodeCamp from a friend. I want to become a full stack software engineer." So just tell us a little bit about yourself, and you'll see that people will frequently greet you quite quickly because there are a whole lot of people in here. And we can even chat privately with people. This is Michael Johnson. He's in charge of our nonprofit projects. So I can click Chat Privately. Hi, Michael. You'll see that I'm getting a lot of these notifications. What you'll want to do is when you're in the main chat room, and you can see Michael's responded to me right here. So I can have a private conversation with Michael. I can also go back to the main freeCodeCamp chat room, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to change my notifications. So instead of being notified for all messages, which is hundreds of messages an hour, I'm just going to choose notify me when somebody mentions me. That way I'll just know if somebody's talking to me and I can jump in and talk back to them. So my recommendation is to keep this chat room open while you work on your other challenges. And you can even download an app for whichever type of computer operating system you're using, or if you have a smartphone so you can use it on the go. Enjoy!